to fix Bitcoin withdrawal canceled for your protection. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to fix Bitcoin withdrawal canceled for your protection. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will land on the profile section of Cash App. This is your account profile section where you can view your personal configurations, security features, and promo codes. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the options list and tap Support. This option opens up the main Help Center directory where you can find solutions to issues you face on the app. From the options that are here, tap the one named Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin support directory, the central hub for managing your cryptocurrency questions, transaction limits, and transfers. To find the messaging options, scroll all the way past the related guides to the very bottom of the page and tap Chat under the Contact section. This opens a direct conversation with a support agent who can help you look into your account or figure out why a transfer might have been paused for your safety. So, go ahead and chat with the support team. They will respond to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to fix Bitcoin withdrawal canceled for your protection.